The world came to Qatar for this. I was shocked. In this video, I'm taking you inside Qatar International Food Festival, where food from around the world, live chefs, fireworks, and culture all come together in one place. You will see best food, the real price, the crowd vibe, the night shows, and I will tell you honestly if this festival is worth visiting or not. And trust me, one part of this festival completely surprised me. And if you love travel, food, and discovering new places around the world, this channel is for you. Subscribe now, because I drop real experience from places people usually don't show you.
A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what
you don't want to miss what's coming next. Alright, let's dive in and experience this together.
I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the
What if I told you you could travel the world in one night without leaving one city?
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead of say something not illogical, something
today, I'm at the Qatar International Food Festival, and trust me, this is not what you expect.
If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages of making. Modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell,
the energy here is unreal.
I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't.
Imagine food from every corner of the world, music, light, family, tourists, all in one place.
I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
This is where it gets crazy, and people stay till midnight. It's not just food, it's full experience. Wait till you see what happens next. festival is for everyone: family, tourists, food lovers, content creators. No matter where you are from, you belong here. Qatar just proved something. Food brings the world together. This is more than a festival, it's a global experience. But be honest, will you travel to Qatar just for this food festival? Comment yes or no. And tell me why. Like, comment, and share. Subscribe for more. See you at the next video.